Replacing the key fob battery in your 2015-2020 Chevy Tahoe is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. First, confirm the issue is the battery. Use your My Chevrolet app or an OBD2 scanner for smart diagnostics to rule out sensor faults. Work in a static-free environment. Gather your tools and new battery, available for under $5. Be sure to recycle your old batteries responsibly. Pry open the key fob using the screwdriver or pry tool at the seam. Gently separate the two halves to avoid cracking the plastic. Pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct polarity, positive side up. Clean any corrosion with a soft cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Align the fob halves and firmly snap them back together. Test the fob. It should automatically reprogram. If not, consult your owner's manual.